The Art of Eating Fruits, a guide to maximizing nutrition and enjoyment. Introduction. Fruits are nature's delightful gifts, offering an array of vibrant colors, refreshing flavors, and an abundance of essential nutrients. Incorporating fruits into your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to boost your health and well-being. While eating fruits may seem straightforward, there are certain guidelines and techniques that can help you extract the most nutritional value and enhance your overall enjoyment. In this article, we will explore the art of eating fruits and share tips to make the most of these natural wonders. Choose fresh and ripe fruits. When selecting fruits, opt for those that are ripe and fresh. Look for vibrant colors, firm textures, and fragrant aromas. Ripe fruits not only taste better but also contain higher levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Wash thoroughly. Before consuming any fruit, it's important to wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt, pesticides, or bacteria. Rinse the fruits under cool running water, gently rubbing them with your hands. This practice ensures that you enjoy clean and safe fruits. Embrace variety. One of the joys of eating fruits is the wide variety available. Experiment with different types of fruits, both common and exotic, to discover new flavors and textures. Incorporating a diverse range of fruits into your diet ensures a broader intake of various nutrients, promoting optimal health. Eat seasonally. Eating fruits that are in season not only supports local agriculture but also guarantees peak flavor and nutritional content. Seasonal fruits are usually fresher, more affordable, and often require fewer artificial ripening processes. Slice and dice. Some fruits are best enjoyed when sliced or diced into manageable pieces. Use a sharp knife to cut them into slices, cubes, or wedges, depending on your preference. This method enhances the fruit's visual appeal, making it more appealing and easier to eat. Fruit combinations. Experimenting with fruit combinations can create tantalizing flavors and add depth to your palate. Mix and match fruits with contrasting tastes and textures, such as combining sweet berries with tangy citrus fruits or pairing crunchy apples with creamy bananas. These combinations can be enjoyed as a fruit salad, smoothie, or topping for yogurt. Incorporate fruits into meals. Fruits need not be limited to standalone snacks. Consider adding them to your meals as well. Slice fresh fruits into salads for added color and sweetness, blend them into sauces for a burst of flavor, or use them as a natural sweetener in baking and desserts. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating when consuming fruits, savoring each bite and paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas. Slow down, chew thoroughly, and appreciate the experience. This approach allows you to fully enjoy the natural goodness while also promoting better digestion and satisfaction. Storage and preservation. To maintain the freshness and longevity of your fruits, store them properly. Some fruits are best kept at room temperature, while others require refrigeration. Avoid overcrowding and keep them in well-ventilated areas. Additionally, consider freezing excess fruits for later use in smoothies or desserts. Fruit ripening. If you have unripe fruits, you can speed up the ripening process by placing them in a paper bag at room temperature. The ethylene gas released by fruits like bananas can help accelerate ripening. Once ripe, store them in the refrigerator to extend their shelf life. Conclusion. Eating fruits is a joyful and beneficial experience that can greatly contribute to your overall well-being. By choosing fresh, ripe fruits, incorporating variety into your diet, and embracing different preparation methods, you can enhance your enjoyment and maximize the nutritional benefits. Remember to practice mindful eating, experiment with fruit combinations, and store fruits properly to maintain their freshness. So, let's celebrate the natural sweetness of fruits and make them a delicious part of our daily lives.